Choosing the right roofing hammer can make all the difference on the job. In this video, we break down the best roofing hammers available, covering durability, features, and performance to help you find the perfect tool for your roofing projects. Let's take a look at one of the best roofing hatchets out there, the AJ-CMWT-005MH. This 17-ounce magnetic roofing hatchet is built for efficiency, with a neodymium magnet on the striking face that holds nails in place for faster, one-handed driving. It also includes a built-in utility blade for quick cutting and a sliding gauge to help position shingles with precision. The high-carbon steel head is tough enough for the demands of professional roofing, and the hickory handle offers durability with a comfortable grip. The nail claw adds versatility, making it easy to pull nails when needed. While it takes a little time to get used to, roofers swear by its time-saving design. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one roofing hatchet that helps speed up the job, this one should be high on your list. You can grab it for under $70. Stepping into the world of roofing tools, we checked out the STANLEY 51937 Anti-Vibe Roofing Hammer. Whether you're driving nails or setting shingles, this hammer is built for balance and control. The one-piece forged steel construction means durability isn't a question, and STANLEY's patented anti-vibe technology significantly reduces vibration, making long roofing sessions easier on your hands. The 22-ounce head delivers solid striking power, and the square face design ensures precise nail placement, even in tight spots. The ergonomic, soft-coated handle provides a comfortable grip, keeping fatigue to a minimum. The built-in nail puller is a nice touch, making it easy to remove misplaced fasteners without reaching for another tool. If you need a well-balanced, professional-grade roofing hammer that's comfortable to use all day, this one delivers. You can pick one up for around $40, and it's worth every penny. The ESTWING E3239M Roofer's Pick Hammer is a tough, no-nonsense tool built for the roofing trade. Forged from a single piece of American steel, it delivers serious durability while maintaining a well-balanced feel. This German pattern hammer features a pointed spike for punching through slate and a claw for pulling nails with ease. The magnetized, recessed, milled face makes starting nails more precise, a big plus when working at heights. ESTWING'S patented shock reduction grip cuts down on impact vibrations by 70%, making all-day use a lot more comfortable. Whether you're laying shingles or repairing flashing, this hammer provides solid control and dependable performance. Proudly made in Rockford, USA, it's built to last a lifetime. You can pick one up for under $70, and it's one of the best investments you can make if you're serious about roofing. When it comes to roofing hatchets, the AJC stationary gauge roofing hatchet is a solid pick. Sure, it's simple, but the drop-forged carbon steel head delivers durability where it counts. The stationary screw gauge lets you set exposures at 4, 5, or 5 5/8 inches, making it a versatile option for different shingle installation. We definitely like the balance here. The 18-ounce head has enough weight to drive nails effectively without feeling cumbersome. Plus, the high-grade hickory handle absorbs shock well, reducing hand fatigue over long workdays. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, the design works seamlessly in either hand. From precise shingle cutting to hammering nails, it's built to perform. If you're looking for a well-crafted roofing hatchet that keeps things simple while delivering top-tier reliability, this one is tough to beat. You can pick it up for a reasonable price, making it a smart investment for roofing professionals. ESTWING'S E3LS Shingler's hatchet is built for roofers who need precision and durability in one tool. Forged from a single piece of American steel, this hatchet is tough enough to handle heavy-duty use while maintaining a well-balanced feel. The milled face improves nail grip, reducing mishits on the job. ESTWING also designed this model with a built-in gauge to set shingle exposure, making it easier to maintain consistency across your work. The retractable blade adjusts to 4 inches, 5 inches, and 5 5/8 inches exposure, adding even more versatility. Comfort isn't an afterthought here either. The patented shock reduction grip cuts impact vibrations by 70%, making long hours of work easier on your hands. Whether you're trimming roofing felt or hammering in shingles, this hatchet is a go-to option for professionals. Made in the USA and priced just under $50, it's a tool that delivers on both performance and durability.